This is my HP 14-inch laptop which came with Intel Optane memory that was in the RAID format along with your 1 TB hard disk. So in this video I'm going to show you how to safely remove this Intel Optane memory from your laptop and then install this 1 TB Western Digital Black SSD. So this is around 5150 Mbps is what is claimed. So I wanted to remove Intel Optane, which is just 16 GB. So that I'm going to show you in this video. This video is a little bit lengthy, so I made it into 3 parts, and this is part 1 of the video. So please do watch all the other videos to safely remove your Optane and install SSD. For that you require this screwdriver toolkit to safely remove your laptop's back lid and then to get access to all your hardware. Hello everyone, hope all are fit, healthy and happy.
Without Intel Rapid Storage or the SSD, this has to boot from the hard disk, so this will take some quite amount of good time. So you need to patiently wait for that. Very first time it will take some amount of time. So it is like normally booting from your hard disk. Uh, when in those days when there was no any SSD technology. Yes. So, guys, you can check it out. It is taking quite amount of good time. Yeah. There will be a blank screen for a lot of time, so don't worry about that. Give it good time, and the system will definitely come up. So once the system comes up, let's again get into the Intel Rapid Storage Technology app and then check what is the status of Intel Optane memory. So as you can see, it is again uh, showing up some cursor, which is a sort of loading cursor. So yeah, we've got the pointer now. So wait, hold on, don't worry, it will come up. So once this boots up, once we check Intel Rapid Technology status, then we're going ahead and going to install this 1 TB SSD. This is with a read write speed of 5150 Mbps. So this is a good amount of speed from Western Digital. The model number is SN770. This I got from USA. So let's try to install that. Yes, now the system is booting up, as you can see. No issues, but it becomes pretty slow without an SSD. So as you can see, it is taking a good amount of time. At some point you feel that system is not responding, but it is not so. It will always work. So you have to be a little bit patient on this. The current generation, they don't have any sort of patience, as they are directly born into the SSDs and high speed memories. The generation which would have worked with the Asteria's hard disk, so they would definitely know what is the patience and what I meant to wait about a system to boot. So let us see that, guys. Yeah, now slowly the system is has started to show up. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the taskbar, you can see the desktop is loaded and other things are getting loaded. This is the brightness of yeah, the screen itself. Yeah, this is what I want. So I'm increased with the brightness so that you guys can see clearly. Yeah, now you can see that it's fully loaded, and I still don't see some apps which are being loaded here. I think they have to come up. Still it is not fully functional. Let us now see. Let's get into Intel Rapid Storage Technology app. Yeah, here you go. In the search results it shows. Let us go and check the status of that. Yes. Apps. Click on apps tab. Yes. Results from this PC may be incomplete. I suppose it is still loading the things, so Let's wait for some more time. Yes, now you can see all these quick apps which are loaded on the taskbar. So it is slowly getting loaded one after one. Uh, this is now you can clearly see the difference between an SSD and a hard disk. So with SSD, the entire system was fully functional within 20 seconds. I'm sorry, it's not minutes, it's just 20 seconds. So now it takes around 5 to 7 minutes or more than that to get loaded. So that's the reason why people go for SSDs of high speeds. This is much faster than Intel Optane. So once this is installed, let us see how it is. Okay, now yeah, it's still getting loaded. You can see the cursor, it is still showing the loading symbol. Let's now at least try searching for Intel Rapid Storage application. Yes, so click on apps, and still it says results from this PC may be incomplete. Why are they still incomplete even after so much of time? I'm not sure. So what you need to do a search again. Intel Rapid Storage app. I need that app, which is this app. You can see this app, but the results are not that clear. They're not so much specific. They're struggling to show me the results, maybe because of the poor loading times from the hard disk. Yeah, you can see guys, now still antivirus is getting loaded, and the responsiveness is very slow, which is not at all acceptable for today's standards. So that's the reason every laptop and every desktop should have an SSD slot and an SSD installed. Okay guys, now if you can see, I can maybe show it a little bit closer, saying that Intel Optane memory status disabled. If you want to enable it, you can enable it, but mine is just 16 GB. Here you can see PCIe SSD 13 GB, or to be precise, it's 16 GB. So with 16 GB I can't do anything. So that's the reason I want to go with this 1 TB now. So let me now shut it down. And then open the laptop and then install this 1 TB SSD. Power. Yeah. Power. Shut down. So yeah, this is shutting down now. So meanwhile, yeah, let us try to open this sealed box. Yeah. So first let me completely open this laptop. Turn around your laptop, check how many let me adjust this so that you guys can yes. Now I've turned around this HP laptop, and let me see how many screws you have. You have 1, 2 over here at the edge of that, and maybe few you have under this rubber legs, which we need to open or something. Let me see. So for that you require this toolbox, which you have lots of multiple uh, settings of screwdrivers, what you call.
This video is a little bit lengthy, so I made it into three parts, and this is part one of the video. So please do watch all the other videos to safely remove your Optane and install SSD.